So what is up guys, welcome to SE2 Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, and I know that you yourself have the same exact doubt, and that is 5G coming in iPhone SE2? Well, we know that iPhone SE2 is going to be coming in the first quarter of 2020, and that also has greater specifications like the iPhone 8 with the internals of A13 Bionic chip and everything. But the obvious question is, when is 5G coming to iPhones, and is the iPhone SE2 going to be having the 5G ability? So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing on this topic. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I will tell you the long story in short, and that is 5G is not at all coming in iPhone SE2. Again, many people say that it is coming, but guys, there are two things that really debate on this topic, and that is first, its body. It is of the iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 already has a small battery life. You cannot fit a large battery life in a small chassis. And the second thing is its main purpose is going to be, it is budget friendly. For $399, Apple cannot put 5G modem in this iPhone, and not just that, the battery will also not support it. Just consider, if 5G will even come, then your smartphone will only last for 1.5 hours to like 3 hours of battery life every day, and that is not at all accepted. So 5G is not at all coming in iPhone SE2, because the main reason for this iPhone is it's going to be a budget friendly device, and hence just it is not going to be getting the 5G. But here question comes is, according to Minchico, Apple is going to be launching 4 new iPhones next year, means 2020, and we know from that the iPhone SE2 is going to be the first coming in the first quarter. So guys, we know the iPhone SE2 is going to be coming in the first quarter of 2020, and the three iPhones as usual are going to be coming in the September event in 2020. And guys, just why are we so excited for these iPhones? Because I have already made lots of videos. If you want to check them out, you can consider subscribing to our channel. And these three iPhones are going to be, one is going to be the iPhone 11 successor, one iPhone 11 Pro successor, and the third is going to be the successor of iPhone 11 Pro Max. And there is one more thing. Again, if you are following my videos, I have said that the iPhone 12 Pro is going to be smaller than the iPhone 11 Pro indeed. So just guys, we don't really know what Apple is planning for, but definitely with the higher end variants, Apple is supposed to put the 5G chip, because not just the smartphone is going to be bigger, but the battery is also going to be bigger, and hence Apple can manage to put the 5G modem in it. So guys, I just wanted to prove or just tell you that 5G is not coming in iPhone SE2, and guys, it is indeed coming in the later iPhones in the September keynote of Apple. But guys, there are no possibilities for 5G in iPhone SE2. So hope you have liked today's video, and guys, if you have liked, don't forget to subscribe our channel, give a like to this video, and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts and are you excited for this iPhone SE2. So if there's going to be any other news, I'm definitely going to be keeping you updated, and this was a very short video. So if you have liked this video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,